Hey DIYers, tool lovers, and weekend warriors. Ready to upgrade your toolkit with some seriously cool gear? Today, we're counting down the top 12 DIY tools on Amazon that'll make your next project smoother, faster, and way more fun. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Cordless Brush Angle Grinder Kit is a compact and powerful tool for every DIY project. It runs on a 16.8-volt lithium battery, giving you cordless freedom indoors or outdoors. With a high-speed motor of 19,500 revolutions per minute, it cuts, grinds, sands, and polishes with ease. The two rechargeable 2,000 mAh batteries and fast charger keep you working longer without interruptions. Its lightweight design, just 1.1 kilograms, and rubberized non-slip handle make it easy to control with one hand. A sturdy splash guard and cooling vents protect the tool and extend its life. The kit includes 6 cutting wheels, 2 batteries, a charger, 2 wrenches, and gloves. Perfect for cutting metal, wood, tile, stone, and more, this grinder is built to handle it all. Number 2. The Qming Soldering Iron Kit is a powerful and portable solution for all your soldering needs. With an upgraded 80-watt ceramic heater, this iron heats up in just 20 seconds, saving you time on every project. The adjustable temperature range runs from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, or 356 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control for any task. A clear LCD digital display makes it easy to monitor and set the right temperature, while the heat-resistant handle and 4 ventilation holes keep the tool cool and comfortable during long sessions. This kit is perfect for circuit boards, appliance repair, jewelry making, and DIY projects. Inside the box, you'll find the soldering iron, 5 tips, a stand, solder wire, sponge, and flux paste, everything you need to get started right away. Number 3. The Toolin 8-in-1 Multi-Blades Hand Saw is the ultimate cutting companion for DIYers, woodworkers, and home repair enthusiasts. This clever tool combines 8 different saw blades in one compact design, saving space in your toolbox while giving you maximum versatility. The ergonomic non-slip handle reduces hand fatigue, while the lockback mechanism keeps each blade secure and steady during use. Thanks to its quick-change clamping system, you can easily swap between large and small blades depending on the job. Each blade is made from high-speed steel, sharpened and hardened for durability, so you can count on clean, precise cuts every time. Replacement blades are widely available, making this a tool you'll use for years. Perfect for drywall, sheetrock, wood, metal, plastic, and plywood, this saw is ideal for woodworking, gardening, and home improvement projects. Compact, versatile, and reliable, the Toolin 8-in-1 is built to handle it all. Number 4. The Saker 6 5-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is more than just a screwdriver. It's a complete 4-in-1 DIY solution. Thanks to its detachable tool head system, you can instantly switch between a cordless screwdriver, an electric scissor, a rotary tool, and even a bright LED flashlight. That means fewer tools to carry and more space saved in your toolbox. With a powerful 4-volt motor delivering 2.5 Newton-meters of torque and a speed of 230 revolutions per minute, this set gives you precision and control for everything from delicate electronics to light-duty home repairs. The long-lasting 2,000 mAh battery charges quickly through a USB Type-C port, reaching full power in about 2 hours. Inside the box, you'll find 65 pieces, including multiple heads, blades, screws, grinding wheels, and accessories. Everything you need for versatile DIY projects at home or on the go. Number 5. The 4-2-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set is a compact, versatile toolkit designed for furniture assembly, computer repairs, bicycles, and everyday DIY projects. Its detachable ratchet handle allows flexible combinations, making it easy to work in tight or narrow spaces. Crafted from hot-forged aluminum alloy with precision CNC molding, the handle is lightweight yet rugged, ensuring durability and comfort even during long repair sessions. Equipped with a 6.2-degree, 58-tooth ratchet mechanism, this set saves up to 80% of your effort. With a torque capacity of 50 Newton meters, tightening or loosening screws becomes faster and easier without straining your wrist. Inside, you'll find 40S2 steel magnetic bits, 32 short and 8 long, covering Phillips, slotted, Torx, hex, positive, and U-shaped types. The strong magnetic handle keeps bits secure, while color-coded rings make identification quick and simple. Compact, organized, and efficient, this screwdriver set is a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 6. The WorkPro 7-piece pliers set is a complete collection designed for DIY projects, home repairs, and everyday maintenance. This versatile kit includes an 8-inch groove joint plier, 8-inch and 6-inch slip joint pliers, a 7-inch linesman plier, 6-inch and 4.5-inch long nose pliers, and a 6-inch diagonal plier. With this range of sizes and styles, you'll always have the right tool for gripping, twisting, cutting, or tightening. Each plier is crafted from drop-forged polished steel with heat-treated construction for strength and durability. The hardened cutting edges provide long-lasting sharpness, making every cut cleaner and easier. For comfort and safety, the double-dipped handles offer a secure, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Protected with slushing oil to resist rust, these pliers are built to last. Just wipe them clean before use and store in a dry place. A reliable, practical addition to any toolbox. Number 7. The Gardel 2-piece Japanese pull saw set is designed for precision woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects. This set includes a 6-inch flush-cut saw and a double-edged ryoba saw, giving you the versatility to handle fine joinery, trimming, and detailed cuts with ease. With both coarse and fine teeth, you'll get smooth, accurate results on hardwood and softwood alike. Each blade is crafted from premium SK5 steel, known for its flexibility, durability, and long-lasting sharpness. Even with heavy use, these saws maintain clean, precise cutting performance. Both saws feature ergonomic Japanese-style wooden handles that provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. This design reduces fatigue and increases control, whether you're working on small crafts or larger carpentry tasks. The flush-cut saw is perfect for trimming in tight spaces, while the ryoba saw excels at rip cuts, cross cuts, and shaping. A reliable, versatile choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 8. The 17-piece flexible drill bit extension kit is designed to make drilling and fastening in tight spaces easier than ever. This versatile set includes 3 rotatable socket adapters, 2 right-angled drill attachments, 10 short screwdriver bits, and a bendable extension shaft. The rotatable socket adapters feature a 360-degree design, making them perfect for use with electric drills, manual screwdrivers, and impact drivers. The 2 right-angled drill attachments, one long and one short, are built from high-quality steel for durability and rust resistance, ideal for working in narrow or awkward spaces. The flexible extension shaft bends and rotates freely, letting you reach screws inside computer cases, furniture, appliances, and other tight spots where a standard screwdriver won't fit. Also included is an L-shaped double head wrench with a comfortable, non-slip grip for added versatility. Compact, durable, and widely useful, this kit is a must-have for garages, workshops, and home repairs. Number 9. The Allen wrench hex drill bit set is a durable, versatile solution for mechanics, DIYers, and homeowners. With 21 pieces in total, this set includes 10 metric bits ranging from 1.5 mm to 8 mm and 10 SAE bits from 5/64 of an inch to 5/16 of an inch. That means you'll always have the right size for any screw or fastener. Each bit is crafted from high-quality S2 alloy steel with hardened, tempered construction for long-lasting performance. Built for heavy-duty use, these bits feature a torsion zone that absorbs torque peaks, reducing stress and preventing breakage when used with impact drivers. The strong magnetic tips securely hold screws in place, making fastening quicker, easier, and more efficient. Perfect for automotive work, furniture assembly, and home repairs, this compact set is a must-have addition to any toolbox. Durable, reliable, and ready for every project. Number 10. The Liobro 2 22-piece pin vise hand drill kit is the perfect set for jewelry making, keychains, crafts, and small DIY projects. This complete kit includes a stainless steel pin vise, 10 precision drill bits ranging from 0.8 to 3 millimeters, a pair of needle nose pliers, 10 key rings with chains, 100 jump rings, and 100 screw-eye pins. The hand drill features a precisely designed 3-jaw chuck that holds bits firmly in place, while the textured grip makes rotation smooth and easy. The stainless steel drill bits are durable, resistant to bending, and neatly stored in a labeled case for quick access. With the included jewelry supplies, you can create necklaces, earrings, charms, and even holiday decorations. The fine-tipped pliers make gripping, bending, and shaping wire effortless. Compact, versatile, and beginner-friendly, this kit is a must-have for hobbyists, crafters, and anyone who loves detailed, hands-on projects. Number 11. The 5-piece magnetic pickup tool kit is a must-have for mechanics, DIYers, and anyone who works in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. This professional set includes a 10-pound telescoping magnetic pickup tool with a built-in LED, a 1-pound precision magnet, a 360-degree inspection mirror with dual LEDs, a flexible LED flashlight, and an ergonomic grabber. The heavy-duty telescoping magnets extend up to 24 inches, making it easy to retrieve nuts, bolts, screws, and tools from deep inside engines or behind workbenches. The inspection mirror provides full visibility in dark or hidden areas, while the bendable flashlight with 3 brightness settings ensures you always have the light you need. Each tool is designed with non-slip rubberized handles for comfort and control, even with oily hands. Durable, versatile, and practical, this kit is perfect for auto repair, home maintenance, and makes a thoughtful gift for any handyman. Number 12. The Hodo Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a compact powerhouse built for precision and versatility. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers speeds from 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute across 5 adjustable settings. Use low speeds for delicate engraving and high speeds for fast material removal on wood, metal, plastic, and more. This kit includes 35 accessories and a storage case, making it perfect for sanding, polishing, drilling, carving, and even pet nail care. The built-in LED ring light provides shadow-free visibility, while the snap-on shield adds extra protection during use. Designed for comfort, it weighs just 0.52 pounds and features a frosted non-slip grip with an angled rubber cap for easy handling. Powered by a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB Type-C charging, it offers long cordless runtime. Quiet, powerful, and portable, the Hodo Rotary tool is ready for any DIY project.